Damn, I think we got up to 340 there. No, lost it again. We pulled a Mark Marquez on COTA this year. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the first episode of MotoGP 19. Super excited about this game because I'm a big fan of MotoGP and I played a lot of MotoGP 18, so really excited to see what this game's like, see the differences, realistic, the neural AI as well, so that's going to be something that we have to check out. A lot of changes in this game, so I'm super excited about it. We're going to be jumping in here, taking a first look as Andrea Dovizioso at Circuit of the Americas, of course. And we're just doing a little time trial here just to kind of, you know, feel things out, kind of get a feel for things, I guess you could say. But here comes Dovi, Desmo Dovi into the paddock here. Kind of looks like Dovi, but kind of doesn't at the same time. So we do have all the times. Track engineer, wow, guided setup. So it's pretty much like what you had in MotoGP 18, just kind of labeled differently. But that's really cool. And then you have the compounds, so you can do soft, medium, or hard. So I really like that. I think we're just going to stick with the two softs for now. Maybe we'll do a medium rear. We'll try that out, because I don't know anything about that, but we're going to try it. Let's do a pit start, because I haven't seen this game, so I'm pretty curious to see what he does here, see what the differences are. So it's not too much different. That is cool, though. I really like that feature. How you can look back like that. You also got all the different views here, so third person, of course. You have the in-helmet view, which I really like. I could see how some people would not like it, but I really like it personally. Here we go, MotoGP 19, Circuit of the Americas, on the GP19, or the Desmo Sedici GP19. Wow, immediately I can already feel the difference. This feels way more realistic, like you actually have sliding, like realistic sliding. Oh, look at that. The bike is like jerking around. Listen to that sound too, holy shit. So far so good. I love the feel of this. Here we come onto the back stretch. Oh no! Wow, that is something MotoGP 18 did not do. I went really hard onto the brake into a turn there and just lost the front end. Man. I love this game already. It's actually real, like, super realistic. Got on the brakes a little early there. And yeah, you have to run wide. You can't just, like, stomp on the brakes inside of a corner. Yeah, this is actually, like, a little bit tough. It's actually awesome. You can actually hear the echo of that sound, too. The sound of the GP19 is something else, man. It's not too much different from the 18, but... Ah, there we go again. And I've noticed another thing. You actually slide instead of getting flicked up in the air like MotoGP 18. Man, this is definitely something we're going to have to get used to. Put down a couple laps here. And look at that too, you can like... Oh, yep. We went way too hard on the, or way too late on the brakes there. Definitely got to be easy on the throttle. You can't mash on the brakes or mash on the throttle or else you're going to crash, just like in real life. It's really badass. I'm loving this game a lot already. See if we can put down a semi-solid lap here. Can't remember if I put bike damage on or not also, so hopefully that our bike damage doesn't affect us right now. Oh, we almost lost it again there. Back stretch, here we go. 240, 250, 300. Damn, I think we got up to 340 there. No, lost it again. We pulled a Marc Marquez on COTA this year. I just lost the front end on that turn 12. Oh, saw that. We just shifted gear mid-corner and it jerked our bike. Man, this game is awesome, dude. I love the physics already. That's one thing I was like super excited to get rid of was the MotoGP 18 physics because they were not good. I mean, they were okay, but I mean, definitely could have been improved. Let's see if we can actually put down a solid lap here. Kind of go early on the brakes and everything so we can... Nope. Alright, let's do this. We're going to restart the flying lap. So we can hopefully actually put down a solid flying lap. There we go. I'm not sure what the record is at COTA right now. I think it's like a 201. Set by Marc Marquez or 203, something like that. First turn was pretty good. Can't go full on the throttle there. You kind of gotta halfway, like halfway. That made a lot of sense, but try and focus right now. We might actually put down a pretty good lap here. And the map even looks better. COTA looks like way better than it did in MotoGP 18. I don't know why, but in MotoGP 18 it had like super dark gravel. Like, it didn't really look realistic, but I mean this, man, this looks pretty solid. No, went way too wide there. I don't know why we can't get a good braking zone on that one. Definitely something we're gonna have to work on. But I am pretty excited to start the career mode in this game. That's gonna be great. We're gonna start all the way from Red Bull Rookies Cup, go up into work our way up into MotoGP. That was a good corner. I'm starting to get the feel for it now. It's definitely different than MotoGP 18. Definitely something to get used to. But it won't be a problem for us. Pull off a little wheelie there. Oops. Let's see if we can do a wheelie. Definitely hold wheelies. That's badass. Let's try a little bit from the third person view maybe. It looks good though. Look at the animations even look better. Doesn't look like you're going as fast when you're in third person. I don't know why. And Dovi looks really big for some reason. We do have damage on our bike though. Oh, almost lost it again there. That's so fun to do, dude. Gotta pop a wheelie across the line. I don't know, this is just kind of a fuck around lap, but also just kind of getting a feel for this game, how the physics work, and this is going to be such a good game, though. And the multiplayer, you got dedicated servers now, so that's just going to make things even better on multiplayer. A lot of possibilities with this game. I love the sound, so you can kind of actually hear it echoing and everything. Dude, it's so badass. I love this game already. I am kind of disappointed that they couldn't put the Mission Winnow skins on this, but I mean, it looks just as good with that Ducati on there. But man, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end this episode here, guys. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Really helps me out. And of course, we're gonna be doing a career mode, so stay tuned for the first episode of that coming out here in a few days. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace.